equal to a minus b, b minus c, c minus a of ab plus bc plus c. So now we will do this one. First, left side I am taking 1 a square a cube, 1 b square b cube, 1 c square c cube. So since all these are ones, I am using, these are in column, I am using draw operation. R2 changes to R2 minus R1, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 0, this 1 minus 1 also 0. Now R2 and R3 are changing, R1 is not changing. 1 a square a cube, 1 minus 1 0, b square corresponding position a square, b square minus a square, b cube minus a cube. Next 1 minus 1 0, c square minus a square, c cube corresponding position a cube, c cube minus a cube. So here I want to write formulas. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. This formula we do know already. So a cube minus b cube formula also we have a minus b of a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the formula of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b of a square plus ab plus b square. I am using these two formulas now. 1 a square a cube, 0 b square minus a square, this formula. So a square plus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, a minus b. B square minus a square, b plus a into b minus e, b plus a into b minus e. Next b cube minus a cube equal to b minus a of b square plus ba or ab plus b square is nothing but s. Now 0 c square minus a square, c plus a into c minus c according to this formula. C cube minus a cube, this formula. Instead of a, c, instead of b, e. C minus a of c square plus c or ac plus a square. Now if we observe in this row b minus a common, if we observe in this row c minus a common, so b minus a, c minus a, 1 a square a cube, 0 b plus a or a plus b, this one a square plus ab plus b square. I want to write in order simply. Next one, so 0 c minus a common, a plus c or c plus a. I want to write this one is also in order, a square plus ac plus c square. So again, if we are simplifying, if we are multiplying, it will be somewhat difficult. So what I am doing is, so in this a plus b, a plus c, in this a square, in this a square. So if I want to subtract, if I want to take the difference, this a will get it cancelled, this a square will get it cancelled. That's why I am doing R3 changes to R3 minus R2. First, already b minus c, c minus c. Now 1 a square a cube. Next 0. Second row is also same. We are changing only R3. 0 a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square, a square plus ab plus b square. Next 0 minus 0 0. If we are subtracting this one, a getting cancelled, c minus b. If we are doing this one, a square cancels, ac plus c square, a square cancel minus ab minus b square. Next, b minus a, c minus a, 1 a square a cube, 0 a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Next, 0. So c minus b. In these two, C square minus B square. This is the formula. A square minus B square formula. C plus B into C minus B. In these two, A comma. If you are taking A comma, C minus B. So B minus A, C minus A, 1 A square A cube, 0 A plus B, A square plus AB plus B square, 0 C minus B. In this C minus B cancel, comma. In this C minus B, in this C minus B, comma. Then A plus B plus C. Okay, next A plus B plus C. If we observe third row, C minus B, C minus B, in this also C minus B. 0 is nothing but 0 into C minus B. C minus B entirely common. So I am taking common B minus A, C minus A, C minus B. Then 1 A square A cube, 0 A plus B, A square plus AB plus B square, 0 C minus B common 1, C minus B common A plus B plus C. Now, so actually we need to prove A minus B. Here it is B minus A. So I am taking minus common A minus B. Next C minus B, but we need B minus C. Again minus common B minus C. Minus into minus plus C minus A as it is. So next I want to simplify this one. This determinant. I want to use this column 1 0 0. 1 into A plus B into A plus B plus C. A plus B of A plus B plus C. Minus 1 into A square plus AB plus B square. Next these two are 0. We won't get remaining anything. So A minus B, B minus C, C minus A into B, A square, A into B, AB, A into C, yes, B into A, AB, B into B, B square, B into C, B C, minus A square minus AB minus B square. So anything getting cancelled? B square cancel, A square cancel. Next, one of the AB also getting cancelled. Next remaining A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So AB plus BC, AC or C plus C. So this we need to put. Hence it is true. Okay, next question. So example 5. Example 5. So that get of A minus B minus C, 2A, 2A, 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. Okay, so I want to prove this one as A plus B plus C whole cube. So I am taking LHS A minus B minus C, 2A, 2A, 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. Okay, now if we are adding like this, A plus 2A plus 2A, 5A, 2B plus B plus 2B, 5B like this. So if we are adding like this, we won't get equal. If we are adding like this, minus B plus 2B plus B, minus C plus 2C plus C, overall we are getting A plus B plus C. This sum is also equal to A plus B plus C. This sum is also equal to A plus B plus C. So that's why we are adding like this. So R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now A minus B minus C plus 2B plus 2C, 2A plus B minus C minus A plus 2C, 2A plus 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b, 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b. Next, so a minus b plus 2b plus b minus c plus 2c plus c. So again 2a minus a plus b, 2c minus c, 2a minus a, 2b minus b plus c. Next 2b, b minus c minus a. Next 2b, 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b, c minus a minus b. Okay, in first row a plus b plus c common, a plus b plus c common. If you are taking a plus b plus c common, 1 1 1, 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b, 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b. So since the first row elements are equal to 1, I want to convert these two ones are 0. So since it is in the row, I want to use column operation. C2 changes to C2 minus C1, C3 changes to C3 minus C1. A plus B plus C of 1, 2B, 2C. 1 minus 1, 0. B minus C minus A minus 2B. B minus 2B minus B. So minus A minus B minus 2C minus 2C 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 2B minus 2B 0. So C minus 2C minus C overall minus A minus B minus. Next, A plus B plus C. So direct determinant I want to find 1 into minus common, minus of A plus B plus C, minus of A plus B plus C, minus into minus plus A plus B plus C whole square minus 0. So this is 0, this is 0, we can't get anything. So A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C whole square. So equal to A plus B plus C whole. This is RHS and it is true. Next question, 7th. Find the value of x if that x minus 3, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4. Next, x minus 4, 2x minus 9, 3x minus 16, 3x minus 16, x minus 8, 2x minus 27, 3x minus 64 equal to 0. If this denominator is equal to 0, I want to find the x. So I want to do elementary operations. So if we observe this is x, 2x, 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 3x, 3x, 3x. If we subtract, we will get a 0. We won't get. So R2 changes to R2 minus R1. R3 changes to R3 minus R1. First row set x minus 3, 2x minus 3, x minus 2 actually, not x minus 3, x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4. So x minus 4 minus x plus 2. So x getting cancelled. Minus 4 minus or minus 2 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. Minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. Minus 16 plus 4 minus 2. Understand? One more time. So subtract. Changing the signs. X to x cancel. 2x to x cancel. 3x to 3x cancel like that. So minus 4 minus or minus plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. Minus 9 plus 3. Subtract. Minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. Minus 16 plus 4 minus 4. Next minus 8 plus 2 minus 6. Minus 27 plus 3 minus 24. Minus 64 plus 4 plus 60 equal to 0. So in this row minus 2 common, In this row minus 6 common. X minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4. So minus 2 common 1, 2, 6. Next, in this minus 6 common 1, 4, 10. This is also minus 60. 10 equal to 0. So minus 2 minus 6 bringing outside. 12 bringing outside 0. So I want to simplify this now. X minus 2 of 2 into 10, 20. 4 into 6, 24. Minus 24. Minus 2x minus 3 of. So changing the signs. 1 into 10, 10 minus 6. Plus 3x minus 4 of 1 into 4, 4 minus 2 equal to 0. So 20 minus 24 minus 4 of x minus 2. 10 minus 6, 4 minus 4 of 2x minus 3. 4 minus 2, 2 of 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Next, minus 4 into x, minus 4x, minus 4 into 2 plus 3. Minus 4 into 2x, minus 8x, minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12. 2 into 3x, 6x, 2 into minus 4, minus 8 equal to 0. So minus 8 plus 8 getting cancelled. So minus 4x, minus 4x, minus 8x, minus 12x, minus 12x plus 6x, minus 6x plus 12 equal to 0. 6x equal to 12, x equal to 12 by 6 equal to, one more time I want to check. So x minus 2, 2x minus 3. So x minus 2, 2x minus 3, x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4, x minus 4, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 16, x minus 8, 2x minus 27, 3x minus 64. Okay, now R2 changes to R2 minus R1, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. So this x minus 4, subtracting minus 4 plus 2, minus 2, minus 9 plus 3, minus 6, minus 16 plus 4, minus 2. Next, minus 8 plus 2, minus 6, minus 27 plus 3, minus 24, minus 64 plus 6, minus 64 plus 4, minus 60. Now, in this minus 2 common, in this minus 6 common. If we are taking minus 2 common, minus 1, minus 2 common 3, actually it is not 2 plus 3. Next, minus 2 common 6, minus 6 common 1, minus 6 common 4, 10. Okay, next, this one, these two bringing outside. So 3 into 10, 30. 3 into 10, 30. Next, 30 minus 24, minus 2, minus of 2x minus 3, 10 minus 6, okay, 3x minus 4, of 1 into 4, 4, 1 into 3, 3, this is 3. Next one, 30 minus 24, so plus 6, this is plus 6. Next one, plus 6, 10 minus 6 plus 4 minus 4 of 2x minus 3. Next, 4 minus 3 plus 1. 6 into x is 6x minus 12 minus 8x plus 12. 1 into 3x is 3x minus 4 equal to 0. So 12 getting cancelled. 6x plus 3x 9x